Hello everyone, for today's video we're going to make chocolate crinkles. For the complete list of ingredients, please check the description box down below. Happy watching! First step is combine all the dry ingredients: cocoa powder, castor sugar, brown sugar, and my vegetable oil. Mix it all together. Now add the eggs and carry on mixing. I have also added vanilla essence. At this step, I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. I have been using self-raising flour for this recipe. Other recipe called up for plain flour and baking powder. But for today, we're gonna use self-raising flour. At this point, we're gonna whisk it all up. If you got a handheld mixer, you can use those. If you haven't, then you're just gonna need your muscles. You can use a spatula and fold the dry ingredients into your wet mixture. When it's ready and well combined, wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge for 3 hours. What I did with mine is I have put it in the freezer for 2 hours. Now my mixture is ready after 2 hours, and as you can see, it has hardened up a bit. Just to let you know, this is really sticky, hence I am using a pair of gloves. Now if you're not keen on using a pair of gloves, feel free to do so. You can just make a bowl with your bare hands, but I advise you rub some oil into your hands so that it will not stick. Once you've successfully made a bowl according to your desired sizes, roll that bowl into the powdered sugar and set it aside for baking later. Speaking of baking, I have baked it at 150 degrees Celsius temperature for 13 to 15 minutes. In this recipe, I managed to make 18 small chocolate crinkles. Now, if you'd like your crinkles to be crispier on the outside, bake it for 15 minutes. Now, if you'd like it to be softer, bake it for 13 minutes. If you do enjoy watching this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking!